This is a quick video tour of the Parrot FS3400 GPS Bluetooth car kit, and this is the home screen, and here it shows that we are already connected to a Bluetooth device. We have acquired 4 satellites right now, and we have a network connection. And from the small jog dial,
phone book,
we can enter the phone book. We can either push the dial button to enter it, or we can just push the jog dial. And one second.
Phone book.
From here we can select a letter, let's say B, and then push the jog dial, and all the contacts starting with B will be displayed. And then we can just push call, and this number will be called. Okay. And
phone book.
next
Call
menu
register.
is called the call register. Here it pretty much shows all the missed calls, received calls, and dialed calls. And as you can see, they're shown in one row with 3 numbers, and they're pretty big, really easy to read.
Missed calls. Call. Phone.
Next
Dial
one is
a
dial number.
1.
Pretty much this is a completely useless menu. It's really hard if you're in a car, and if you're driving, it's going to be really hard for anybody to dial a number from here. We're going to try one.
9.
Let's
8.
say 8.
2. 1. 3. 5. 2.
It just takes forever.
Dial a number.
And next one is the settings menu. Here pretty much you can pair a different device, pair it to a phone, change the language, select different brightness, adjust the brightness, select a different cover theme. And change the sounds and set the automatic answer.
Settings. GPS.
And the last menu is the GPS. From here you can get GPS information, and you can actually activate or deactivate GPS navigation.